Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith. If you're new here or this is your first time clicking on any of my videos, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment down below. And karibu. I invite you to this channel and we will have fun. If you are a returning subscriber, as always, I love you. Thank you to the 90 of you who have subscribed. We will be doing great content. Yes, and I want to thank you. Continue sharing and commenting and liking. Yes, and encouraging your friends, your relatives, to subscribe. Thank you so much. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for also watching my last video. I can see the love has grown. And even the rate of consumption has also grown, and I'm really happy about that. So today I come to you from my kitchen. The other time I cooked for you some spaghetti and mixed vegetables. So today we are also going to cook something. It's actually 7 o'clock. Yes, and I'm preparing dinner for my family. So guess what I'll be cooking? It is called TRIPE. And just in case you don't know what tripe is, this is matumbo. I really love that meal, though I don't know what it adds to the body. I hear some people just say ni tu matumbo, hakuna kitu yote inaongeza kwa mili, but if you get someone who cooks it well, alafu aweke firifiri kwa umbali. Oh my god. Okay, let's get to the ingredients right away. So for the ingredients, we have the green pepper, chopped green pepper. We have the tomatoes. We have onions. We have the garlic powder, chicken masala, kama kawa, kama dawa. Then we have turmeric. Then I'll just add salt to taste. Then went to the supermarket, forgot to buy Reiko. Had to get this sachet so that I can prepare dinner with, but tomorrow we're going to get some. Then what is missing here, that is the black pepper. The black pepper, which I'm not going to put in the food, because our baby is going to consume this. So everyone is going to put black pepper in their plate if they want to eat black pepper, or if they want a little bit of pili pili, they'll put the black pepper. This is all we have for today. The ingredients for today, very minimal. These are the tripes, or rather the matumbo. They have already been boiled. Actually, when I bought it, it was so much, it has really shrinked. So this is already the boiled tripes. Now I'm going to start adding ingredients. It will only take a few minutes, then dinner will be served. It has oil of its own, so I'm not going to add any oil into it. So let's get into adding the ingredients. So on to the first ingredient. I'm going to add onions, and fry them until they are brown. I really love a lot of onions, especially in meaty meals. So I have already added the onions. We'll turn them until they turn brownish. Then I will add the next ingredient. So once the onions have turned brown, I'm now going to add the green peppers. just stir it. Yeah, that looks so yummy already, and the smell, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. After adding the green peppers, we're going to add onions. I had already, when I was pre-boiling the matumbo, I boiled it with salt, so I'm not going to add any more salt. So these are the tomatoes. I won't add more salt because it is already salty, and yeah, we're trying to be healthy, so I'm not going to add any salt. I'm just going to cover it, then yeah, let the tomatoes cook. Then afterwards I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. Yeah, just a few minutes, then I'm going to cover it up a few minutes, then we add the ingredients. Yeah, then the food is ready. Now the tomatoes are well cooked. Just look at how it looks. This camera is not even doing justice to this food. I'm going to add a little bit of what is this, garlic powder, just a little bit. Yes, oh my god, when I buy a camera, then I'll be vlogging this. I'll cook this again with another different camera. My god, you'll be coming to my place for dinner, all of you. This looks so nice. Now we're going to be adding a little bit of turmeric to give it color. Then I also add the chicken masala to taste. Yes, then you stir. Guess what? I'm not even putting in the Royco. Just look at it. Just look at it. I can't wait to devour. Oh my god, oh my god. How will I convince you that this is... I know how. But just look at it. Just look at it. So now this is how it looks. Yeah, I've already removed it from the stove. Yeah, we'll have someone to tell you how it tastes, or rather, yeah, I'll be doing the tasting on your behalf. Yeah, then I will let you know. Let me serve the food, then yeah, I'll give you my reviews on this. So guys, this is how our plates are looking. So yummy. Yeah, this is just ugali. This is what, kales. Yeah, and that is the tripe stroke matumbo. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you how it tastes, because actually you cannot feel how it tastes, so I'm the one who's going to show you. So I thought about it and I said I'm going to call someone else to taste it and give his his accurate or his very honest opinion about the food. So yeah, let me get that person so that he can say whether or not I'm the best chef in town. Yeah, so these are the people who are going to give you the review, the honest review of how the food tastes. This is how it looks like. So we're going to give them a few seconds so that they can taste, then give your honest review. Usikuje uchukue ng'ombe zako.
Okay, we are gonna test this with my beautiful girl here, Ishani. So, Belle, can you taste it for mom? No, let's try. Okay. Okay, I'll take kidogo.
Yummy. You see? Even from the smell, from the taste, yeah. I'm very sure they like it.
And my auntie's eating.
Yes, and her auntie is already eating the food. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Mom, tell them to do what?
Look up to the video. Get it up and get the bottom.
Yes, what she has said in short, kindly subscribe. Click on the okay, kindly subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Yes, and see you on the next video. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Kindly subscribe.